up? Welcome back to the channel. Kayla Jukic here. If you're new, if you're not, welcome back. You have come at a really good time. I am so dang excited because my husband and I are going on a 7-day Caribbean cruise. We are going on the Carnival Mardi Gras, which I believe is one of their biggest ships, if not their biggest, so I'm pretty pumped. And this isn't just any regular trip. We are actually going for my 30th, yes, I said that correctly, 30th birthday.
I know, I don't look 30. Everybody says that to me.
But because we're celebrating a new decade, we're going away. I honestly don't even need this luggage right now. I am not packing right this second. But honestly, I had it out because we were just away 3 weeks ago and it was just, I thought it was cute for the intro. Today is actually Wednesday. We are leaving Saturday morning at 6 a.m. Gross. And I have a lot to do, so you guys are gonna come with me. I have my first appointment in an hour, so let's get to that. Also, not to mention, this is what it looks like at home right now. It's snowing and we're getting a snowstorm today, so I cannot wait to go away. I just arrived to my lash girl's house and I am 16 minutes early. Literally, guys, look at my lashes. I look like a freaking naked mole rat. I have not got my lashes done since my last trip, so this is much needed. Usually when I get my lashes done for vacation, I'll do that the day before just because I like them full and fresh and good. I had no choice though. I have to do this today even though I'm leaving for vacation in 3 days for 2 reasons. One, my birthday's tomorrow, and do I want to go to my 30th birthday looking like a naked mole rat? I think not. Plus, my lash girl is actually leaving for her own vacation tomorrow, so today was the latest appointment I could get. So let's go take care of this situation and I'll see you guys when I'm done. Lashes are done, you guys. They look so full and so stinking cute. Look at that. Take a close-up. So I got hybrids, so they are a mix between classic lashes and volume lashes. So like half of them are like single lashes and then half of them are like a bunch of lashes put together. Usually I get very classic lashes because they're like the most natural looking, but because I'm going away, we're going a little bit more dramatic. The snow is starting to come down now and it is pretty chilly, so I need to turn my car on and get some heat going up in this biatch. I want to get home safely, so I'll see you guys at my next appointment. Your girl is gonna go try and get her nails done, and I say try because I don't have an appointment. I was actually planning on coming tomorrow, but it's a whole freaking snowstorm outside, and I figured people are probably not gonna be going to get their nails done in this weather, so I'm the crazy person that's gonna try to. Literally, look at it. Like, it is coming down now. You can't even see it, but my nail place is right there. These are freaking horrible. Do we see this? This is so bad. Again, just like my lashes, I haven't had these done since my trip. They were white when they were nice. I'm either gonna get white again and just keep it basic. I'm a neutral nail polish kind of girl, and plus having a tan and just being on vacation, I like white nails. Plus my toes are already white. I don't need to get those done. Those are in tip-top shape still. Or I was thinking about getting ombre, which I did for my wedding and I really like. If the owner Lucy can take me, then I might do ombre. So you guys will see my nails in a second. Okay, I am back from nails. Look at these, okay? Wow. So I got a little bit swindled, but I will explain in a second, but I actually love them. They look so cute. So basically I went in and it ended up being the owner, Lucy, who was doing my nails, and I'm like, okay, perfect. I'm gonna do the ombre. And she was like, okay, so we're gonna be doing dip. And I was like, no, I'm just gonna do my real nails. And then she was like, okay, I can do it, but she's like, I don't know how it's gonna look or how long it's gonna last because usually we put it on dip or like acrylic nails. And then I remembered I did do that for my wedding, but I didn't want to get like the dip and fake nails and all of that stuff today because my real nails are actually very long. So I'm like, okay, screw it. We're just gonna do white. And she was like, no, white's so boring. Like, you're going on vacation. You need to do something else. So I'm like, okay, girl, what do you have for me? And she was like, okay, we'll do funny bunny with chrome. And I was like, what the hell is that? And she was like, just Google it. And I Google it and it was the Hailey Bieber chrome nails. So I'm like, whatever, we're gonna do it. I'm trying to show you guys in the most natural lighting possible, but I actually love them. They look really nice with my ring, and it will look so good with a tan. It basically looks like white anyway, so it's really good. So I'm happy about that. It is now 2 days later. Happy Friday, guys. I am finally leaving for my trip tomorrow. Yesterday was my birthday and it was so amazing. We had such a great time. I am feeling it this morning. I'm extra tired. I am the tiniest bit hungover, but we have things to do, so we're gonna get them done. I don't know about you guys, but I honestly love cleaning my house before I go on vacation because I'm the type of person, I don't want to come back to a messy house whatsoever. So I'm gonna do a little bit of cleaning right now. I want to clean my kitchen. I want to clean my main bathroom. I want to vacuum my floors. I'm not gonna do like a super deep clean, but I just want to make everything like nice and fresh. Oh, I also need to clean out my fridge because we got to get rid of some food. Again, I just love doing this. That way when I get home, I don't feel like I need to do it. I can get home from vacation and I can just relax. I can do laundry and that's pretty much the only chore that I need to do. I was gonna say Mr. Clean, but we're gonna say Mrs. Clean mode activated. Let's go. It is a little bit later now and I just checked us in for a flight tomorrow. I am so freaking excited. When you check in on your flight, it literally feels like your vacation is so stinking close, and that's because it is literally the best feeling. I got all the cleaning done that I wanted to get, and now it is time for my favorite part, which is packing. Honestly, this is gonna be pretty easy for me because like I've already mentioned, we were just away 2.5 weeks ago, so I pretty much have everything ready to go. I just need to really put it back in my luggage and just organize it. As you can see, I have a bunch of stuff out right now and I'm gonna show you everything I'm bringing. One thing I'm trying to do this trip is literally only bring enough outfits that I need because last trip I overpacked. So this is all of my outfits for nighttime. This is my outfits for like during the day. I have my bikinis over there. I have the stuff that I bought from Amazon that I'm gonna show you in a second. Here is my airport outfit, and then on my island I have a bunch of like miscellaneous things. I'm gonna start with clothes. So we're going on a 7-day cruise. This is what I bring. If you need any inspo, this is it. First thing is this dress. I actually wore this as my wedding rehearsal dress. I brought this dress on our trip at the beginning of January and I never wore it. So I was like, okay, I'm bringing it this time and I'm 100% wearing it. Next, I am bringing this set. Honestly, I was debating bringing this because honestly, look, like they look so similar, the prints. It's pretty much the same color and everything, but this is a dress and this is a 2-piece set. So it's like a little crop top and then it has like very loose pants. Honestly, this dress that I'm bringing is such a throwback dress. I got this from White Fox and I love it, but I haven't worn it in a few years actually, so I'm hoping it still fits. I also bought this green dress from White Fox and I bought it for our honeymoon and I freaking love it, but I do need like titty covers for them, so I bought those off of Amazon, which I will show you right here. They look so good quality. It's such a weird thing to say, but I was looking at the reviews and people were talking very highly about these, so I got them. I will link them down below. Honestly, on cruises, I always get cold at night. I don't know why, so I'm bringing 2 cardigans, a black one and a white one. I'm bringing this white set, so again, it's pants, and then the top is like a crop top with like long sleeves, very flowy, it's very short, it shows a lot of stomach, and then the back is like a crisscross. I am bringing this red jumpsuit that I bought when I went to Florida last. I got it from Target and it is so nice. I wore it on my last trip and so many people complimented me, so I was like, I'm wearing it again. And then on the cruise, they actually have 2 formal nights. So I'm bringing like 2 dressier dresses. And then I'm honestly bringing probably too much of like daytime clothes, but I have like shorts. I have a few like cover-ups. So all of these things I'm gonna wear during the day, like when I'm walking around, when we're doing activities on the ship, you know, like if I have a bikini on and I need to put something over top to go to the restaurant, whatever. Now I'm very excited because usually I'm the type of packer, I just throw everything in. But this time I bought packing cubes from Amazon. It was highly recommended. The reviews were really good, so I will link it down below. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cubes. Like, are you kidding me? I think it was like $30 too. are done. Now it is time to do bikinis. I have so many. This is not even all of them. This is the ones that I brought on my last trip. I literally have a whole drawer full still in my closet. So I don't think it's necessary for me to bring this many. So we're gonna break it down and we're gonna go through them. I should probably pick a small one so it entices me to bring less bikinis. I'm definitely gonna bring this one. This one's an all-time fave. This is from Night Swim, so that one is definitely coming with me. I really like minimalistic bikinis because I really just don't want tan lines, so that's what we're going with. This one is from Kelowna Swim. I got this top at Target when I was in Florida and it's really cute, so I think I'm gonna bring that and I'm gonna pair it with this yellow thong bikini, so that's 3. This one is from Lahana or Lahana Swim. It's like yellow stripes. It's like pastel colors, yellow, pink, blue. It's a matching set, so I'm gonna bring this one. That's 4. I bought this top for my honeymoon and I love it. It's not something I usually wear. It's like ruffly, and I'm gonna pair it with these red bottoms, so that is 5. This one's also new from Target. It's like the orange like tiger print, and I think it would actually look really good with these green bottoms. And I also have this like neon orange like skirt cover thing, so I think that is gonna be, what number am I at? 6? I think that's 6. I really like this one, which is from Night Swim. It's purple, like a lilac color with butterflies, so I'm gonna bring that one. That's 7. I'm gonna bring one more, this little matching floral set, so I'm bringing 8 bikinis, and that's it. These ones need to stay, Kayla. Just get them away from me. 8 bikinis. That is actually good, y'all. You know, I usually bring like 12 or like 15 for a 7-day cruise, so this is good. Okay, so my luggage is done, and honestly, it's suspiciously light. Usually I overpack, that's why. So this side I have all my toiletries, skincare, like all my accessories, hair stuff, shoes, hats, everything. I have my sandals in here, and then on the flip side, that is all of my clothes, and makeup is right there. Here is my bikinis, and we are good. Now I just need to pack my carry-on bag, so I need to like print our documents, and I just need to put a few things in there, but I'm gonna do that off camera just because I feel like I need to focus. And honestly, I'm running out of time because today is my dad's birthday and we need to go see him for dinner. Next time you guys will see me, I will be on a friggin' cruise ship. I am so excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some inspo for packing. And I hope you just like tagging along with me for this adventure. So make sure you subscribe to me down below so you don't miss any of my travel videos, or any of the future ones for that matter. Give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I will catch you guys on the cruise ship. Bye.